Exercise 37, question 1. It says, use the wall plan below together with the section detail to find the dimensions of the strip footing. That's what we have to do first, so we'll have a look at that first up. So just remembering our brick wall plan here does not allow for our footing. Okay, so we have to add the dimensions of our footing onto it. So when we look at it, the rule is to find this X here and here. Our footing is going to extend past. So it is the width of the footing, so you're looking at 380 minus 230. Why 230, you say? It's the wall and the engaged pier. Okay, and we're going to divide it by 2 because we add it to both sides. So when we look at the exercise 37, it's going to be 150 divided by 2 is going to give me 75 is what I'm adding to each side. Now, so if we go up over the page, I don't like this because we're on 2 pages, it's going to be my 75, right? Now I have to add 75 to each side. So originally I've got 5.7 and I'm adding 75 and 75, which is 150, and I'm going to get my new figure of I'm going to put 150 is going to be 5.85. Now my figure is from the drawing, original drawing is 3.82, and I'm adding 75 and 75, which is 150 I'm adding on, and that's going to give me 3.970. So now once we have our new dimensions of 5.85 and 3.97, we can work out the length of our footing. So we look here and it's 5.85, and when we do our intos and overs, this is A, B, C, D, we're minusing the width of the footing. So when we go back to our drawing on the other page, it's 380, so 3.8. B is 3.97 minus 0.38, 5.85 minus 0.38, and 3.97 minus 0.38. Now we do the calculations on that, and when we look at it, it's going to give you, when we do this, we're going to be doing 5.47, 3.59, 5.47, and 3.59. We add all of those up and we'll get a figure of 18.12, and that is my length of the wall. Now with the spoil, all it is going to be length times width times the depth, so my length is 18.12 times the width of the footing we said was 0.38. Now we have to go back to our drawing, our section A drawing, and you're looking here for your spoil, it's all the way from ground level down. So 120 plus the 320. So that's going to give you 440. So 0.44. So we do the calcs on that, and we're going to get a figure of 3.0296. Now we've got to add our bulking, so you go back to your question and it's 15% bulking factor. So I'm going to times that by 1.15, and I get an answer of 3.484 meters cubed. So that's our spoil done. Now we've done the hard work, but we're going to keep our same length of the footing is 18.12. The width stays the same, 0.38, but we go back to our drawing and the concrete here is only 320. So 0.32. So we times all that together and we're going to get 2.203. Allow waste. So we go back to our question and it's 10% waste. So we're timesing it by 1.1. So our volume order is going to be 2.42 meters cubed. But that's not my order. I have to round up in increments of 0.2 and it's going to be 2.6 meters cubed. Thank you.